To replace a 2014 Nissan Rogue Serpentine belt, the first thing you gotta do is remove from the tie wheel. That's a A clip. All right, you gotta remove that on the tie wheel, front and the top. Then at the bottom, there are about 10 T20. All right, T20, this kind of screws. Gotta use T20. All right, to remove it. This is to remove the clip, or screwdriver will do it too. And once you remove these, you pull that cover out of the way so you can go underneath the car. Okay, this is the routing of the belt. Okay, on the top is alternator. All right, this bottom one, this is AC compressor. This is of course the crankshaft. Okay, and this is the tensioner, and that's the water pump. On top of tensioner is water pump. So I put a 17mm wrench on top of the tensioner, and to level it, I use another. So you just gotta remember the routing of the serpentine belt. Then, basically, to lose it, you push this way. Look, you see that? All right. Then you can pull the belt out and put a new one on. That's it. That's the easy way to do it. But the first thing, remember, you got 10 T20 screws all around here. All right, the bottom you gotta move, and along this tire wheel, okay? And all those clips are here on the side panel. These are the side panel, all right? You got a clip to remove. And once you get that and move this panel out of the way, then we'll take a few minutes. Just remove it and put a new one on. That's how you do it. Quick and easy. Thank you for watching.